Hi everybody. So I'm here today to remind you about how to do your page format for MLA Page Formatting. And I'm just going to do the first page, but I just wanted to take a minute here and get you a template to follow from a video. So the first thing is you always have to open your Microsoft Word. As you can see here, I've already got mine open. I always like to start with the header, and so to do that you double click in the header. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to show you how to do it in a Mac. It's very similar in a PC, and I'll kind of talk you through that in a minute. So the first thing that you do is you double click on the header, then you click on page number here. Then you click on Format Page, or you could just click on Plain Page Number. And as it says here, the right, you can see the example here, so you click OK. And then once your page number is there, you then go in and put your last name. Oh, and see, it did that thing. So we go and we just do it again. It's no big deal, right? It's being very fussy today. There we go. And so you click in it, you hit space, and then you type your last name. And I do want to remind you that because Microsoft Word is stupid, you have to go in and change the header separately. It would seem to make sense to change it to the all together, but Microsoft Word doesn't do that, so I'm just going to use Arial 12 point. Then you click into the document itself, and that's when you type your name, your professor, the class, so let's just use 122 as the example, and the due date. And so let's say that today is the due date, so the 26th September 2016. And remember, MLA does prefer day, abbreviated month, year, but I don't necessarily have a preference with that. Just be aware of what MLA does, so that if you have a professor in the future, you know what to do. Then you hit enter, you center it, and you put your clever title there. And then you go back to left justify, and you start your essay. Here is my sample essay for the video. It is not a perfect essay in content, but shows students how to properly format their pages, period. So here's a good example of what to do next. So next you want to then go into the paragraph window so that you can change the spacing, because remember MLA has double spacing. I want to point out, remember that your before and after spacing must be set to 0, otherwise it affects the spacing in between paragraphs or anytime you hit enter. So before and after set to 0, double spaced. Okay? And then as you can see, there's an extra space there, so I go ahead and enter. And if I were to type all the way down to the next page, it automatically paginates it for you. So that's what's really nice about doing the page number in the header like this, okay? And then the last thing you want to do is check your margins. So you highlight the whole document, go to layout, click on margins, and as you can see, mine are all set to 1 inch, 1 inch top, bottom, left, and right. So this would be your MLA page format, with the last thing being making sure you have the proper font, in this case Arial 12, Times New Roman 12, or Courier New 12. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, happy page formatting. Bye!